Good morning, everybody. My name is Rene Illescas with Team Rene, and this is Market Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend and enjoyed the stage 3 of the reopening in the Halton region. That being said, we got great news. Open houses are a part of that, and as of July 16th, we're allowed to host open houses. So just a few tips that I want to give you, or protocols in case you happen to go out in the next week or so. Number 1, face masks are mandatory, no different than going to a restaurant or a mall. Number 2, you may have to sign a form, especially a COVID form or a login sheet, just so we make sure that we're doing our part. Number 3, there will be a limited amount of people in the house, so don't be surprised if there's a waiting line or the agent just says to wait a few minutes, okay? Hang tight. The other thing you need to be aware of, which is great, is that we will be sanitizing before, during, and after. So we're trying to protect the public as much as possible. And the last point, if an agent happens to just not let you in or deny you, it's because maybe they feel that there's symptoms happening, or maybe you brought lots of family members, or there's kids that are just drooling everywhere. So don't be shocked. We're trying to protect the public. Now, before COVID, buyers used to love going to open houses for the following reasons. Number 1, you get to see the house and actually go through it versus seeing it online or in photos, which sometimes can be embellished. Number 2, buyers love to just tour the neighborhood. How are the neighbors? How close is the mall or the grocery store or the schools? So it's a great opportunity to get out again and explore the neighborhood. Number 3, this is very important. You actually have an opportunity to screen us, the realtor. Test us. Do we know our stats? Do we know everything about the house? Do we know a lot about the area? It's a great opportunity to interview us. Now, in terms of sellers, this is great as well. We can get you some feedback right away. Another great opportunity for sellers is that we can potentially find a buyer who's not working with a realtor, which means if we are able to put the deal together, we can save you some money. So that's a great opportunity as well. Another great point for the seller is that there will be neighbors coming to the open house. And I know a lot of people say, well, they're just nosy or they're tire kickers. Well, here's the thing. A lot of the neighbors that do come into homes, they know the area, they know everything about the builder, for example, or they know a lot. So if I happen to meet with them and maybe they're looking for their family member or for a friend, it's a great opportunity to just find that out. So not all neighbors just come in and be tire kickers. That being said, it's our job as professionals to make sure that we're following the rules and we're enforcing common sense. It's our job, and we want to make sure that during this reopening phase, we're doing everything we can to keep everybody safe, have fun, and just get back to normal. So hopefully this video shed some light on the open house protocol of what's about to come. So have a great week. Any comments or questions, just put it in our feed, and we'll be more than happy to get back to you, or just send us an email at info@teamrene.ca. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.